Hyundai's on a roll of late, churning out character-rich products that not only look great but also drive nicely, and the subcompact Kona is the latest in the series. Its staring styling charms onlookers and avoids appearing busy despite its multifaceted sheet metal. The cabin packs just enough of the exterior's whimsy to tie the whole together without being, as the kids say, extra. The Kona isn't the most practical SUV available, but that's forgivable considering how good the rest of this package is. Of the Kona's two available engines, we sampled the turbocharged 1.6-litre four-cylinder and were impressed by its performance. Not only is the Kona fun to look at, it's also fun to drive. Well done, Hyundai, again. High stand-out styling, punchy turbo 4, feature-packed. Low's tight cargo space, numb steering. Verdict intrigues with adventurous styling, seals the deal with driving enjoyment. What's new for 2018? The Kona is an all-new Hyundai for 2018 and slides into the lineup as the junior crossover below the compact Tucson and the mid-size Santa Fe and Santa Fe Sport. Its offbeat styling turns heads, especially when accented by the Kona's signature color, lime twist. Trims and options we'd choose. Hyundai offers the Kona in 4 distinct trims, say, SL, Limited, and Ultimate, but the Limited trim level strikes the best balance of price and equipment. It automatically adds the energetic turbocharged 1.6-litre inline four and dresses up the exterior with the same 18-inch wheels and other design flourishes shown on the top-spec Ultimate model. The Limited trim also includes desirable features such as leather seats with 8-way power adjustments for the driver, power sunroof and front fog lights, single-zone automatic climate control, with front-wheel drive. The Kona Limited is value-packed at $25,680. All-wheel drive adds $1,300, but otherwise there are no option packages for this trim level that will drive up the price. 2 powertrains are available with the Kona. SE and SL trims come with a 147 horsepower 2.0-litre four-cylinder and a 6-speed automatic transmission, but Limited and Ultimate models are powered by the considerably peppier 175 horsepower turbocharged 1.6-litre four-cylinder paired to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Front-wheel drive is standard, but both engines can be added with optional all-wheel drive. We've not yet had a chance to test a lower-level Kona with the 2.0-litre four-cylinder, but our experience with that engine in the larger Hyundai Tucson tells us it will provide sufficient, if not exactly thrilling, acceleration. With the Turbo 4, our Kona Ultimate test vehicle scampered from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.6 seconds. Just 0.1 second behind the rapid gear Solix claim equipped with a more powerful 201 horsepower version of the same 1.6-litre engine. In the real world, the Kona often doesn't feel as fleet as the numbers suggest. The turbocharger needs time to come online at lower engine speeds, where its gusto is merely adequate. You'll encounter that situation often in normal traffic. The 7-speed dual-clutch automatic shifts quickly and smoothly once you're rolling, but it stumbles at low speed in parking lots and in bumper-to-bumper traffic, engaging and disengaging first gear hesitantly until the driver offers more throttle input. Manual shifting capability. Shifting for yourself is an option via the automatic's shift lever, but when running the engine to higher revs the transmission will automatically upshift whether you like it or not. Tow ratings. Compared towing capacity is a rarity in this segment, and none of the Kona's rivals in this comparison offer such a convenience. For those who do need to tow, the Jeep Renegade offers a 2,000-pound rating. In this class of fuel-sipping mini SUVs, the Kona's EPA ratings are good but only average among its rivals. Despite this, the Kona impressed us during our real-world testing, besting the other crossovers used for this comparison. We've devised our own fuel economy test in an attempt to replicate how most people drive on the highway. Our procedure entails a 200-mile out-and-back loop on Michigan's I-94 highway. We maintain a GPS-verified 75 miles per hour and use the cruise control as much as possible to mimic the way many drivers behave during long trips. It's not uncommon for vehicles to outperform their EPA estimates on our 200-mile test loop. and the Kona did so by 3 miles per gallon. The Kia Soul, however, under-delivered slightly on its promise of 31 miles per gallon, and the Honda HR-V we tested was off the EPA's pace by 2 miles per gallon. The Kona is a pleasure to drive. When equipped with the turbo 4-cylinder, it's zippy when you're liberal with the throttle, and its chassis is playful despite its SUV mission. Braking performance is decent but unremarkable, and the Kona's steering leaves us wanting more feedback from the road. Acceleration driven aggressively, the turbocharged 1.6-litre 4-cylinder moves the Kona around with ease, and it out-accelerated nearly all of the crossovers in this comparison with a 6.6-second run from 0 to 60 miles per hour when putzing around town. The Kona's power feels less impressive but is nonetheless satisfactory. We haven't yet tested the base non-turbo 2.0-litre 4-cylinder in the new Kona, but in our experiences with other Hyundai models powered by this engine, such as the Tucson and Elantra, it provides enough power. But what it doesn't provide is excitement. Ride, handling, and steering. The Kona delivers agile handling and a surprising amount of fun. This doesn't translate to a rough ride over choppy roads. In fact, the suspension offers quite the opposite, damping out bumps and providing occupants with a cabin that is well isolated from pavement imperfections. Cornering grip approaches sportsy down territory. The steering is perhaps the Kona's biggest dynamic downfall. It's an uncommunicative helm that requires frequent corrections when cruising the highway despite its heavy-weighted feel. Braking. In our emergency braking test, the Kona stopped in 171 feet from 70 miles per hour, about average for the class. Underfoot, the pedal feels agreeably firm and offers easy modulation of braking pressure when stopping.